Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV is powered and the remote works. That avoids delays. Once done, press Home and move to Settings using the arrow keys. This puts you in control. Next, open General. On some models, it's labeled Support, and then select Accessibility so you reach voice options. Make sure to use the on-screen cursor steadily. This prevents accidental changes. You're now positioned at the entry point to disable voice features. So continue to the next steps to find. Once in Accessibility, locate Voice Guide, Voice Assistant, or Talkback. Samsung names vary by year and region, so scan the list carefully. Select that voice entry to reveal its specific settings screen, where you will see toggles and sometimes a volume slider. This is where speech parameters live. Choose the off toggle or the stop command. If a confirmation dialog appears, accept it to apply the change. Make sure the on-screen icon reflects off. This confirms the software received your input. Finish by leaving settings and testing live TV or an app to confirm narration stopped. You should hear no spoken prompts. If voice continues, make sure no external remotes or paired phones are re-enabling accessibility. Disconnect Bluetooth or linked devices and try again. As a key troubleshooting tip, perform a soft reset. Unplug the TV for 30 seconds, plug it back in, and reopen accessibility to ensure the toggle stayed off. If problems persist, note the model number before contacting support for targeted guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.